do you too. Hey, one time for the one time, it is your girl Minnie and I am back at it with another flipping video. If you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can get notified anytime I upload a new video, because you don't want to miss out on any of these good vibes that I have going on over here. I am doing a review on this hair, and if you want to see where I got it from, how the lace is looking, how I feel about it, I'm like touching it, so you know I like it. But yeah, let's get into this video. So this hair is from Sensational Swiss Lace Wig, and it says what lace hairline illusion lace wig, 100% premium fiber. This is a HD lace, keep them guessing, that's what it say. This is the Tryina, I think this is the Tryina wig, Money Piece Blonde, and it came in a pack like this. I got this from the beauty supply store. If I can find it online somewhere, this wig was $69.99. I'm sure I can find it online for you guys. It comes in multiple colors. You can put heat to this, but it doesn't say to how high, but I'm guessing it's safe up to 400 like all the other ones. But this is how it looks out the pack. Oh, the lace is giving. Look at the lace. What lace? She does have baby hairs, which is a good thing because I like baby hairs too. Let me adjust the straps. She got the comb at the nape area, the comb on the sides, and the comb at the top of the head. Ooh, already, and you're not even on right, sis. This is gorgeous. You can part her whichever way you want. That's crazy. Nah, she's pretty. And it's so smooth. The texture is smooth. It's not tangly. It runs through the fingers. I'm gonna cut the lace and be right back. It is so transparent that you can see everything. Like, I've never dealt with something like this before, so I'm trying to darken the lace. Let me use the powder. Really, but not really. I really like this wig, but the lace, I wish it was a little bit tinted so I wouldn't have to do as much work. Let me try to get these baby hairs in order. I'm loving this. I feel like the baby hairs made it a little bit better. Of course, I would have to get a tinter to tint the lace or whatever. I didn't like the other tinter I had. This is looking like human hair. I love the color of it. I love the cut of it. It's like real Gorgiana. I feel like I'm about to step out. Comment down below if you like this hair color on me and if you would wear it. If you want to see the makeup look, the link will be down below. But this is gorgeous. So yeah, if you like this video, please give this video a big fat thumbs up. Until next time, peace.